The Taika reforms was a chain of political and social improvements that were implemented in Japan through a set of doctrines established via Emperor Kotoku. The Taika reforms accompanied the suppression of the Soga clan in a takeover led by Prince Nakanoe, later known as the Emperor Tenji, and Nakatomi Kamatari. They were primarily based on Confucian thoughts and political philosophies from China and were commenced through the introduction of the Taiho Code of 702, which worked by abolishing private ownership of land and serfs and establishing a feudal system of the land. It stated that the land could no longer be privately owned by individuals, and thereafter all the land belonged to the Emperor of Japan, known as Tenno, who ruled by the decree of heaven and exercised absolute authority. Independence and exercise of any religious authority was denied, and only the center was given administrative powers. In local administration, the country was divided into 66 provinces, which was subdivided into 592 counties, which were in turn broken down into townships consisting of 50 households each. Armories were to be built, and all weapons in the possession of private persons were stored in them. The Taiho Code also instituted military conscription. 1/3 of all males between the ages of 21 and 60 were required to serve from 1 to 3 years in the army. Because of its ineffectiveness, however, the conscript of the army was abandoned in 792. The posts after the Taika reform was open to men of ability and merit, and a person standing in this system depended upon his family background or upon his success in examinations taken after attending the government college. Even this system of choosing educated officials was adopted from the Tang dynasty of China. A few highlights and developments during this period was the building of the imperial capital in a Chinese style. Connecting roads were constructed, and most importantly, a census was conducted, collecting information not only about the population but about land use and productivity, and enabling the redistribution and taxation of the land. The reforms also attempted to introduce Chinese social practices. Continuing what was started by the rival clan Shotoku Taishi, envoys and students were dispatched to China to study everything from the Chinese writing system, literature, religion and architecture, to even the very detailed aspects of almost everything, including their lifestyle. The Taika reforms are considered as important to Japan's history as the Meiji Restoration is considered to be in Japan's modern history, since the impact of both the reforms can still be seen in the Japanese cultural life. Quite interestingly, the Taika reform began with the purpose of land reform based on Confucian ideas and learnings from China. But the actual aim of the reform was to centralize the government and enhance the power of the imperial court, which was also loosely based on the Chinese governmental structure. One of the traditions adopted from China was the naming of eras in an emperor's reign, and it can be illustrated by the fact that the Emperor Kotoku took the era name Taika for the first half of his reign. The objectives of the Taika reformers were not fully attained, and the changes introduced were not thoroughly implemented. But the imperial institution became stronger, and the authority of the central government was fortified. The emperor was endowed with greater prestige and dignity. The central government's administrative organs were systemized, and its control over provincial and local areas became stronger by eliminating the use of land by individuals and nationalizing it. In theory, the people and the land were now in the public domain, not the private possessions of the clan chieftains. The taxation and compulsory service systems and the penal code were all designed to strengthen the central government's control over the populace. All the reforms were synthesized into law as the Taiho Code, which went into effect in 702. Thus, the Taika reforms were an important step in Japan's absorption of the Chinese culture.